You can create a network topology using a graphical editor in DETER. Let me show you how to do it. Once you've logged into your account, you can click on the experimentation menu and select Begin an Experiment. This will provide you an option to use a graphical editor to create your topology visually. Click on this link. There are two types of elements offered on the palette, node and switches. Select a node and drag it onto the canvas. The panel on the right allows you to set various characteristics of the node. I'm going to change the name to node A and select an operating system for it, in this case CentOS 5. We will now drag an additional node from the palette and drop it on the canvas. In order to create a link between them, when you move your cursor close to the node, a wire pops out. Click on that wire and drag it to the other node and then release the button. The link properties can be customized on the right hand side panel. I'm going to name this link A, set the bandwidth to 10 megabits per second and the delay to 25 milliseconds. Now let's create a LAN. First, take the switch element from the palette and drop it onto the canvas. Take additional two nodes from the palette, node 1 and node 2. Select them holding the shift key down and selecting node 1 and node A. The wire which pops out of node A, holding the shift key down, drag it on to LAN 0 and release it. This creates the LAN. The properties of the LAN can again be set on the panel on the right. I'm going to set the bandwidth of the LAN to be 100 megabits per second. When you're finished building your topology, you can now click on the File menu and select Create a New Experiment. Give the name to the experiment, in this case it's Series 1, and a short description and press Create. Your experiment will now be instantiated on the DETER testbed.